Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So I bought these LED light bulbs from Temu. They're quite cheap and I wanted to do a before and after video. So what I'll do is I will replace one of the bulbs and then we'll look at it from this position and we'll see if they're any better. So they're just cheap light bulbs, nothing kind of special. I'll show you the fitting. Well, they are kind of special. They've got a lot more LEDs, but that's the fitting there, so it's like a prong with two spades. So I'm going to install it and we're going to have a look and see what you think. Alright, I've got my 10 mil. One, two, three nipples, 3 screws. And our position is in the middle. So it's just going to give it a twist. There's our bulb. Same fitting, well, it looks good. Let's grab the new bulb. So I'm just going to, I want to get bent. Just going to plug it in. Making sure I plug it in right. Okay, I'm going to test it before I put it back. That way I know it's actually going to work. Alright, looks good. I saw it blinking. So to put this back, we're going to, there's a big side and a little side. A big side and a little side. Line them up. Put it in, give it a twist. Everything's good to go. A minute. Put it back on. 3 screws in. I'll only put 2 because I'm going to have to plastic weld that. Right, now let's test it. Alright, so I've turned some lights off, but you can kind of see what's going on there. So one they're out of timing, and the LED one is definitely brighter. So if you were behind this car, which one would you notice more? And I'm pretty sure you go for the LED. That's way brighter, probably at least 50%. And I guess when you're merging, that's important because you want people to give way to you. So if you've got a big blinking blinker that you can't miss, that's quite powerful, then people understand that you're merging. So for the money, yeah, I guess they're okay. I'm happy. I'm going to give them a pass. Let's have a closer look. So if you're going to replace one, replace both. Alright, and they were on Temu, and I don't know what you can make of the packet. They were indicator T20, 2-piece yellow T20 W21W774. So if that helps you out, and this is what they look like again. So a little piece of wire on that side, little piece on that side. There's no polarity on these, so I didn't, unless I got it right the first time. If you put it in and it doesn't work, take it out, rotate it, put it in the other way. Because a lot of these LEDs are negative and positive. Alright, thanks for watching.